Thank you for wanting to know more about ERS. In case we haven't met, I'm Linda Bloom. Now, may I share a bit about our heritage? My father, Helmut, was a pioneer in the industry and a true European craftsman. Renata, my mother, was really the heart and soul of the operation. Now I know because whenever I needed something financial, it was Mama I had to persuade. Together, they blessed me with the skills and talents to carry on the business. And today, with my husband Paul and our dedicated staff of professionals, we will honor their memory. Now, we've been in business for nearly 30 years in Northern California with our manufacturing facility showroom in San Jose. Now, we take great pride in creating the European tradition of creating the finest window protection via retractable awnings, retractable solar screens, and the exterior rolling shutters. Now, what makes us unique in the market is that everything we do is custom, and everything we do is of the utmost quality, and we service only the most discriminating property owners. Now, I have a personal passion for the business because obviously I was born into it, and I have some fond memories from my earliest childhood of experiencing the satisfaction that our clients receive from what we do. We would be honored to be able to share some of that expertise and the solutions with you. Now, on behalf of myself, my husband Paul, and our outstanding team, we look forward to meeting you.